Have you ever wondered what really makes a woman fall for you with just a few words? Well, today I'm going to reveal the secrets to making that happen. Welcome to Time for Girls, where we dive into the secrets of relationship seduction and self-improvement. In today's video, we're going to delve into a topic that can completely transform the way you communicate with women. Compliments. Complimenting a woman is an art that goes far beyond the simple "you're beautiful." When done the right way, a compliment can make a woman feel truly special, valued, and even enchanted by you. The power of words is incredible. A well-placed compliment not only brightens someone's day, but can also create a deep and lasting connection. But the key lies in how you do it. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. We're going to explore techniques ranging from vague compliments to positive comparisons, all designed to make any woman feel unique and special. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 foolproof compliment tips that will take your seduction game to a new level. Get ready to learn how to use words to leave an unforgettable impression. Let's get started, but before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button to help us keep sharing valuable content like this. Ready? Let's go. 1. Vague compliments. First, let's talk about the power of vague compliments. Vague compliments are powerful because they allow her imagination to fill in the details, making the compliment more meaningful. When you leave room for her to interpret what you're saying, she ends up associating the compliment with the qualities she values most in herself. For example, say something like, "You have an incredible energy." This makes her think about her unique qualities, whether it's her confidence, charm, or even her striking presence. This type of compliment creates a sense of mystery and admiration. She will feel special because you notice something about her that goes beyond the surface, something unique and intriguing. This not only makes her curious about what exactly you noticed, but it also makes her feel deeply valued. 2. Complimenting age. Complimenting age can be a minefield, but when done right, it's extremely effective. It's about showing genuine surprise and appreciation when you compliment a woman's age. The goal is to make her feel young and full of energy. Many women worry about aging, so acknowledging their youthfulness can be incredibly gratifying. For example, say, "I can't believe it, I thought you were much younger." This type of compliment shows that you see not only her appearance but also the vitality and energy she exudes. This makes her feel young and vibrant. It's a recognition that goes beyond the superficial and hits a sensitive spot that is often overlooked. When you show this genuine surprise, she feels more confident and valued, which can create an even stronger connection between you. 3. Positive comparisons. Positive comparisons are a powerful form of compliment. Comparing her favorably to others known for their qualities highlights how special she is. When you put someone on a pedestal compared to another person, especially someone recognized for their qualities, it elevates the value of the person you're complimenting. For example, say, "Jessica is smart, but you're on a whole different level." This type of compliment not only acknowledges her intelligence but also places her on a higher plane, showing that you truly value and admire her capabilities. This makes her feel unique and exceptional. By using positive comparisons, you create a sense of distinction and importance. She will feel highlighted and appreciated in a way that is often rare, which can strengthen the connection between you. 4. Highlighting uniqueness. Complimenting her uniqueness makes her feel extraordinary. Highlight something unique about her that you truly appreciate. When you recognize a specific and rare quality, she feels truly special and noticed. For example, say, "You're the only person I know who can light up a room just by being in it." This type of compliment shows that you pay attention to her unique qualities and genuinely value what makes her different from others. This shows that you truly value her unique qualities. When a woman feels recognized for something she considers special in herself, it creates a deeper and more meaningful connection. She will feel that you understand and appreciate her in a way that few can, strengthening the relationship between you. 5. Sharing a secret. Sharing a secret makes her feel special and close to you. Doing this creates a sense of trust and connection. When you trust her with personal or exclusive information, it shows that you see her as someone you can rely on and whose opinion you value. For example, say, "Don't tell anyone, but I think the boss is planning a big change." This type of confidence not only makes the conversation more intimate, but also shows that you value the closeness and trust between you. This makes her feel included and important. She will realize that you consider her part of your inner circle, which can strengthen the emotional bond between you. This inclusion and feeling of importance can deepen the connection you share. 6. Complimenting intelligence. Complimenting her intelligence is extremely flattering. Show that you appreciate her mind as much as her. Recognizing her intelligence demonstrates that you value what she has to offer beyond the exterior. Highlighting her intellectual capabilities and insight. For example, say, "You're one of the smartest people I know." This type of compliment not only acknowledges her intelligence but also emphasizes how much you appreciate her brilliant mind. This makes her feel valued for her intellectual abilities. When a woman realizes that you see and appreciate her intelligence, it boosts her confidence and self-esteem. She will feel admired not just for what she is physically, but also for what she contributes intellectually, creating a deeper and more respectful connection between you. 7. Recognizing unique style. Recognizing her unique style is an excellent way to compliment. This shows that you notice and appreciate her individuality. When you compliment a woman's style, you are acknowledging the effort and creativity she puts into her appearance and personal expression. For example, say, "Your style is so unique, it really highlights your personality." This type of compliment not only acknowledges her choice of clothes or accessories, but also the way she expresses her identity through style. This makes her feel seen and valued for her personal expression. She will realize that you not only notice her appearance, but also understand and appreciate the individuality and character she conveys. This can strengthen the connection between you, showing that you value who she truly is. So these were the 7 powerful ways to compliment a woman and make her feel truly special. Now it's your turn. Try out these tips and see the they can make in your interactions. I'd love to hear about your experience. So leave a comment about what worked best for you. Finally, I want to say that creating these videos takes time and requires editing tools. And if you want to support the channel and help keep this content coming, consider buying me a beer through the link in the pinned comment. So if you think the content is helping and want to see more, a virtual beer is always welcome. Your support is crucial for us to continue bringing valuable tips on relationships and self-improvement. See you next time.